First, it is necessary to warm up the engine to heat up the oil. So drive the car until the oil warms up. Oil viscosity is thinner when it's hot, so it drains more quickly and completely out of the engine than when it's cold. For easy access in home conditions, we will use plastic ramps, and then drive onto them with the car. Open the car hood using the lever located right next to the driver's seat on the floor. If you want the oil to drain quickly, then loosen the oil cap on the engine and gently position it on top the fill hole, allowing a few millimeters of space. The oil drain plug on the engine can be found on the underside of the motor. Right here. To loosen the drain plug, we will need a Hex Key size 8. For the old oil, prepare a large container into which you will let the old oil drain. In the meantime, while the oil is still draining, you can use the time to replace the oil filter, which you can find right here. To loosen the oil filter cap, use a socket with a size 27mm head. Prepare a cloth on which you can place the dirty cap to avoid unnecessarily dirtying the surrounding area. Then unscrew the cap using your hands. Similarly, using the cloth, remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new oil filter, try to clean the vessel area as thoroughly as possible. Similarly, clean the inside of the oil filter cap. And don't forget to replace the sealing ring for the new one. Now we can insert the new oil filter. We will fit the oil filter cap and screw it on. Tighten it with a torque wrench to 25 Newton meters. After approximately 20-30 minutes, all the oil from the engine should have drained out, so screw back in the drain plug. For this type of car, we will need 5.25 liters of new oil. Install the oil inlet fitting, which is used for pouring oil into the engine on this car. And now, we can finally pour the new oil into the engine. After topping up the engine with new oil, don't forget to close the oil cap and we're done! All the used parts and tools can be found in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a like. If you want more tips and videos, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for my channel. Have a great day, and may your rides be smooth!